Meaning of figure hugging.
Figure hugging.
Figure hugging.
Figure hugging.
Figure hugging. The term figure hugging refers to clothing that closely conforms to a person's body shape. The result of wearing figure hugging clothes is a fitted and streamlined appearance, accentuating the curves and contours of the wearer's body. This type of clothing is often made from stretchy materials that allow for ease of movement and comfort, while still maintaining a slim silhouette. Figure hugging garments such as dresses and tops can be worn for both formal and casual occasions, providing a flattering and stylish look that is popular among many fashion-conscious individuals.